Hello friends, in this video I am gonna show you how to run Windows application over Ubuntu or the Linux operating systems. It is very simple, just install the Wine tool. It is very helpful in running the Windows applications in Ubuntu like systems, like Linux systems. First we have to install Wine. So sudo apt install Wine. As I already installed, just I have to run Wine with the location. So it's easy to open the folder, then locate the application and then run the Wine command. It's very easy. So this is the application. So I will open terminal here and then simply run Wine space and its name Euro tracks 2.exe. It should be same as it is like this name. The extension also required .exe. Then press enter. It will take some time depending upon your system or PC. Okay, it's installing. Wine is a very important tool for the Ubuntu users. Those who want to install or run Windows applications in Ubuntu OS. As it provides flexibility to use the Windows based application over the Linux. Okay, the app has launched Euro Trucks 2 Simulator. Okay, the UI, the graphics is good. Okay. Oh, it stopped, I think. Yeah. Okay. It's working. Do you want quiet? Yes. As you can see, this is very simple to use the Windows application in Ubuntu with Wine app. You can run any kind of apps, games, anything. Some of them may work and some of them may not work, depending upon the package or the extension, exe extension. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.